SQL editors are where most of us spend our day, whether we're writing queries, debugging data, or exploring a database we didn't build. But not every SQL editor feels the same. Some are built for speed, some for precision, and some for teamwork. Let's take a look at how 5 popular tools handle real SQL work, and why developers and analysts use them differently. DbSchema is perfect when you don't just run queries. You also design databases. Its SQL editor is directly connected to your schema. You can write a create table statement, and the table instantly appears in your diagram. This makes it great for developers who switch between designing and coding. It also allows analysts to write queries safely in a controlled model. The SQL editor includes smart autocomplete, syntax highlighting, without compromising the real database. And you can export query results in multiple formats like CSV or Excel. It's visual, structured, and ideal when you want to understand both your data and your design. In DBeaver, the SQL editor is simple, powerful, and packed with shortcuts that make you faster. Autocomplete works across multiple connections, and you can manage all your scripts from a single project panel. You can see the results in a grid, text, or charts. In the Professional Edition, there's now an AI assistant. You can describe what you want in plain English, and it generates the SQL for you, or explains existing queries. It's a practical mix of a classic editor and modern AI help. DbForge Studio feels like a real development environment for SQL. The editor helps you write queries quickly. It understands joins, table aliases, and even highlights errors before you run them. Formatting, code snippets, and result tabs all work smoothly. What's nice is that DbForge also includes an AI assistant built right in. You don't need to connect any API or enter keys, it just works. You can ask it to generate a query or explain what your SQL does directly inside the editor. DbVisualizer takes a more traditional approach. Here, the SQL editor is called SQL Commander. Clean, stable, and distraction-free. Autocomplete is solid. Results are neatly organized, and you can easily format or bookmark your queries. There's no AI here yet, and that's actually the point. It's built for people who prefer to write SQL themselves and want full control over every statement. You can open several SQL commanders side by side, work across multiple databases, and keep everything well organized. It's simple, predictable, and perfect for developers who like a classic editor that just works. TablePlus is built for speed. The SQL editor opens instantly. Autocomplete is responsive. While you type, TablePlus suggests SQL keywords, functions, and columns that fit in that part of your query. It feels fast and natural, like helping you explore without slowing down. And results appear the moment you run a query. You can even create quick charts from your results to gain a better understanding of your data. It's minimal, lightweight, and designed for people who value performance over automation. It includes an optional AI assistant. You pick the provider, add your own API key, and it can draft or explain SQL right in the editor. I'll leave the links for all these SQL editors in the description, so you can explore them yourself and see which one fits your workflow best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.